the bottom-up economic transformation agenda is actually seriously undermined by this delay. I can see majority is not here, but when you look at the first schedule, Mr. Speaker, the first schedule is about additional allocations from national government revenues, which actually means it is about implementing projects and programs that are within national government development agenda. Some of this includes the...
As a speaker, these people are suffering. These people have not been paid their monies, and it's not even pay, because how do you call 2,500 shillings pay? It's not even pay. They have not earned their stipends, Mr. Speaker. And the stipends come, there's so little. The Speaker, can I appeal to the wisdom of this House, the wisdom of the committee, led by very able Senator from Mandera, to engage with their counterparts in the National Assembly and the Treasury and see, Mr. Speaker, what we can do to compensate and facilitate CHPs better. The Speaker, if a governor misappropriates funds, take the governors to court, charge them in a...
Just 30 seconds, just to conclude officially.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm saying that, and we will not stop there, Mr. Speaker. There is an adjustment that was done last year, July, on the fuel levy, from 18 shillings to 25 shillings. Now the minister in charge of roads in the national government wants to use the entire 7 shillings per litre of fuel to pay pending bills totaling to 175 billion Kenya shillings without consideration, the Speaker, to the roads in the counties. Mr. Speaker, we are saying that 7 shillings per litre, a percentage of that money must go to counties for the maintenance of county roads.
On the ground. Honorable Speaker, we have 47 counties, and I want to challenge my friends here. Please, whatever budget you are seeing on paper, go to your counties and see if the work has been done or even started or completed. You will find that most of the works, I think in some instances even 50–60% are not done. Some are not complete. So we need to, when we pass this budget, when we support, we are thinking of supporting the governors. Yes, we need to support the governors, but we need also to support our people. We are not supporting an individual, we are supporting communities. If you really care about your community, where you come from, please visit your counties, go to the wards you have and see what project has been initiated, what project has been completed, what project has not been completed, so that you will know exactly the situation you are in.
The bottom-up economic transformation agenda is actually seriously undermined by this delay. I can see majority is not here, but when you look at the first schedule, Mr. Speaker, the first schedule is about additional allocations from national government revenues, which actually means it is about implementing projects and programs that are within national government development agenda. Some of this includes the what was promised in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. And I remember trying to raise it to the then chair of budget, who was the co-chair in the mediation, Mr. Ndindi Nyoro. I was asking him, I thought you are the supporter of bottom-up economic transformation agenda. How do you undermine this? Because all those projects that you should be showing Kenyans that you're implementing, You promised to come up with industrial parks in partnership with county governments. It was not county government's agenda, it was national government agenda. But you are here undermining the passing of the law that will deliver on that. Mr. Speaker, we will need majority leader, when you people have your PG, to actually advise your colleagues in the National Assembly that some of the decisions that you make actually undermine your own development agenda. So we won't be able to show much on all these programs in the first schedule because of the ego trips between the National Assembly, actually mainly by the National Assembly, that have delayed this issue. I would like us to apologize to the CHPs and to the county government health workers for the delays we have had, which are completely unnecessary. The payment to CHPs and the payments to the county government health workers that have been delayed is a total unfortunate occurrence, and we need to apologize to them. Unfortunately, we had to pass this law, but the National Assembly would not let us pass this law. Mr. Speaker, I think we need, in my view, to come up with ways in which the SIGA can actually pass without the shenanigans that we've gone through during this period. So let us ensure we don't have a repeat of what has happened, and that might mean that we think out of the box in terms of how we want to pass the SIGA bill, and if it means there is a big conversation around within the summit and among the two or between the two houses, we need to truly find a solution so that National Assembly appreciates that funds that have been negotiated in loan agreements, grant agreements, funds that have been put in budgets courtesy of the national government development agenda are not held back merely because we want a particular fund to pass. I think it's the most shameful thing that they use the RLMF to actually blackmail the country on very, very important funds and to delay the implementation for 8 months.
Pass it as it is as we continue following up with the rest of it. Mr. Speaker, when we continue delaying, because this money has already been dispatched from the partners' accounts, Mr. Speaker, we continue losing on interest, and we continue paying on interest when the counties are not working with this money. So, Mr. Speaker, I would say that we pass it as it is as we continue fighting for increment of it. And we should also warn county assemblies not to interfere so much on the the National Assembly not to interfere so much on the allocations of the county governments, because we are on the ground and we know what is happening on the ground. Mr. Speaker, like when you go to Machakos and go and see the roads that belongs to county government of Machakos, they are in pathetic situations, Mr. Speaker, and that is why the governors are
ipi ambazo tutakuwa tukiongeza dhamana, kwa sababu tunaweza tukatengeneza hata serikali ikaleta pesa pale, lakini ibaki kuwa mahame, Bwana Spika, kwa sababu tumeona mambo mengi yakitendeka, hata nyumba nyingi zinatengenezwa, vitu vingi vinafanywa, lakini inabaki kuwa mahame, Bwana Spika. Kwa hivyo tuangazie kama seneta, pesa tukigawa ziende katika gatuzi yetu, zile sehemu kuwa zikitumika vizuri, Bwana Spika. Tusitengeneze ya kwamba tumetengeza zile sehemu ya kuongeza dhamana katika bidhaa zetu na hatuna chochote ambacho tunaongeza dhamana.